Alright, boys and girls, today you're going to model and skip count objects in equal groups to find how many there are. This is the very, very tip-top beginning of multiplication. Because multiplication is mostly skip counting, okay? It's just skip counting by different kinds of numbers. You might skip count by 2s, by 8s, by 7s, all these different numbers, okay? So let's talk about what equal groups are first. Go ahead and read what equal groups are.
Equal groups have the same number of objects in each group.
Have the same number of objects in each group. Remember yesterday when we did our vocab paper and stuff, I was showing you, or even in our vocabulary, I was showing you that this is 3 groups, okay? And then you might have an equal number of something in each group. So you can have 2, we can call them counters in each group. Or there could be balloons or something like that in them, okay? Or stars or something, it doesn't matter. But those are equal groups because there are 3 groups and they all have 2 inside them, okay? Pencils need to be messed with. Do you see how these are 3 groups and there are 2 in each group, so that means they're all equal because 2 equals 2 equals 2, doesn't it? Okay. Now, let's read the story problem. Matchbox cars
were invented in 1952. Tim has 6 Matchbox cars. Each car has 4 wheels. How many wheels are there in all?
Okay. How many wheels are on each car, boys and girls?
4.
Or what?
Wheels.
So write that down. I am on the blue box. How many equal groups of wheels are there?
6.
6, because there are
6 cars.
6 cars. So there are 6 equal groups. What's on paper? That's in the question. Now, how are we going to find how many wheels there are in all? Aubrey?
No.
No. You're not going to add 6 and 4.
We'll have to count all. We'll have to count. Add 4 6 times.
You could add 4 6 times. Or what?
Count by 4.
Or what do you mean by count? You mean what? Skip count, right? So you can skip count by 4 6 times, or you can add 4 6 times. I don't care which one you choose. All right, add 4 6 times. Or skip count by 4. Add 4 6 times or skip count by 4 6 times. How's that? You just choose one of those to write. You don't have to write both. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you why we can't do what Aubrey said. We can't do 6 plus 4 because 6 plus 4 plus 4 equals 10. That wouldn't show us how many wheels there are. Okay? You have 6 cars, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, and each car has 4 wheels, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, each of these, you have to count 4 6 times because there's 6 cars. Okay? That's going to be a lot more. So, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6 times.
That's 24.
So now let's do, they want us to do the activity doing this. Using counters so we're going to draw the counters, draw 4 counters in each group. You have 6 groups, and count by 4s until you say 6 numbers. So first let's just draw all the counters in. So they have 1, 2, 3, 4 for 1 car. They're making counters, the red circles, for 1 car. Now I want you to trace the other ones for car 2. Trace the other ones for car 2. And then now you have to write your own 4 wheels for car 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you make 4 wheels for all the rest of these cars. So we can add 4 every time or skip count. They're doing the same thing. So the first car has 4 wheels. You have 2 cars, you're going to have how many wheels? 8. You have 3 cars, they wrote that down for you, it would be 12. You have 4 cars, that would be 16 wheels. You had 5 cars, that would be 20 wheels. And if you have 6 cars, that's going to be
24.
24. We added 4 every time. So counting by 4s is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. How many groups are there?
6.
6. With how many wheels in each group?
4.
4. So there are how many wheels in all?
24.
24. Okay, when you have that down, go to the next page.
Are you still on this bicycle?
Okay. Now, let's read the next story, please.
Sam, Kyla, and Tia each have 5 pennies. How many pennies do they have in all?
Here's the question.
How many pennies does each person have?
So how many pennies does the story say each person has? Jacob? 5 what? Pennies. So write that down. Now, how many equal groups of pennies are there going to be?
3.
Why do you say 2? Why do you say 3? Right, because there are 3 people. So there are 3 equal groups. Because there are 3 people who have pennies. Now, the directions say, draw 5 counters in each group. So, you have to think, there are how many groups of 5 pennies? How many groups do we say there's going to be? 3. 3. So there's going to be 3 equal groups. So now, they have 3 big circles for the 3 groups, okay? Then think there are blank 5s. There are 3 5s. Okay. So, count your pennies, or draw your pennies in here. And then skip count to find them. How many pennies in all? 5, 10,
15.
So how many pennies in all?
15.
15 pennies. Everybody got that all written down?
Yes.
Okay. Number 9 is a hot problem. Explain why you can skip by 5s to find how many. Skip count by 5 to find how many in all. Why can you skip count by 5s? Get this. 5 5, 10, 15. Why can you do that?
Because all the kids have 5.
Okay. Aubrey?
Each kid has 5 pennies. That means that you have to count by 5 pennies.
Okay. But why can we skip count by 5s instead of, like, let's say, what if Eli had 4 pennies, Tyson had 3, and Wyatt had 5? Could I skip count by 5 then? No. Why can't I skip count by 5 here? Yes, because they all have 5, which is true, but
Because everyone has 5 and you can skip. Everyone has 5, so they have equal numbers.
yes, they have the same number. There is an equal amount in each of the groups. Okay? There's an equal amount in each of the groups. They are the same number in each group, aren't they? Okay. So there is an equal amount. Is right. There's an equal amount in each group. Because if I had 3, 5, and 5, would those be equal groups? 5 and 5 would be equal, but the 3 wouldn't make that equal, would it? No. Okay. Okay. So in order to multiply, guys, you have to have the same number in each group.
But
Okay.
like, if you have 2, 2 and 2,
That's the same amount.
and 2, 1, and 7.
No, you can. If you have different numbers in the groups, you cannot multiply. You just have to add. And you cannot skip count either. You can't skip count if you have different amounts. Okay, because when you skip count, you have to skip count by the same number over and over again. All right, show and share is next. I will get your partners.